frame. Yes, you can definitely write a letter after the time frame. If you guys get a letter from a collection company and for some reason you don't answer within those 30 days, you can definitely still send them a letter, because don't forget, if they're going to report that on your credit report, it has to be accurate, and then they still have to show you the documents that they own the debt if they want to take you to court and try to sue you. So you can ask them for those documents right away. And a lot of times, if that account is on your credit reports, all you have to do is send a letter to the credit bureaus first. As you send a letter to the credit bureaus first, then if they verify that account, you have the right to go back to that collection company at that time and say, hey, show me the documents, show me how you verify this debt, like show me how it's actually mine. So do remember that you can definitely send a letter after their 30-day span. Now, if you guys were to get that letter in the mail, I do suggest that you guys do send a letter before the 30 days, because it's going to open up a can of worms for them if they don't do what they need to do in terms of sending you proof, if they continue to call you, because that letter is basically telling them, hey, if you're going to continue to, if you want to continue to try to collect on the debt, send me all the information. And if you don't send me the information, don't call me. That's basically what you're saying. Don't call me, don't email me, don't mail me. That's basically what you're saying to them. And then a lot of times these companies don't send you verification, so then they mess it up for themselves. And then when they start getting all the violations, then you can actually go after them and sue them. So I definitely tell people, try to send out the letter as soon as possible. Even if you feel some type of way about it, I don't care what it is, you guys. Like, you know how people automatically throw their stuff in the garbage, like, oh, this collection company, I ain't gonna do that. No, stop doing that. I want y'all to get the letter, print it out. You literally just have to add the name of the company on there, add your name, your address on there, add the account number and the name of the account, and mail it out, and then mail it out certified. Let me see. When you mail it out, you guys, mail it out certified. So like, this is a certified receipt. That way, when you mail it out, if they continue to call you and you found out that they got your letter, let them continue to call you, because they in violation. They didn't send you any proof and they continue to call you. So at that time, you can go to an attorney, you can get help, or you can just sue them on your own. So just make sure you send it out certified, so whenever they try to sue you or they want to put on your credit reports, you have something to fight them with. Now you have something to say, hey, hold on, why you want to put on my credit reports? You done messed up now. I know I probably messed up by not paying it. I ain't saying it's my debt, but you done messed up now. So definitely make sure you guys send it out certified, so you can have proof that you mailed it. You try to contact them and they continue to contact you and they're harassing you. Basically, they're not supposed to do that. If you can't send me proof about a debt, don't call me anymore about the debt, but please send it out certified.